It has been a crazy first half of the year. I feel like we started off strong when spring market hit and ton of contracts coming through. It was wild. Rates were kind of all over the place. In the last few weeks, we've sort of hit a lull as far as seeing the market move up and down with interest rates. So here are a few tips I am recommending to my agents since we're seeing more multiple offer scenarios, still limited inventory, and just a very competitive atmosphere. One thing I'm telling clients is on your buyer consultations, ask if your clients are self-employed or they own other properties. On the front end of the pre-approval, we want to make sure that we are calculating their income correctly. We are including any other mortgages that they have into their debt to income ratio, and we're fixing any credit problems that we need to before they go under contract. This is going to ensure a smoother transaction, a good closing, and keeping everyone else in the transaction happy. I would also encourage your buyers to get their documents in ASAP. We don't technically need them for a pre-approval, but the more we get on the front end, the faster that we can close, and it also makes for a more accurate pre-approval. It also helps with the mortgage contingencies. I always say this on my calls, but understanding what the mortgage contingency is and why it's important to get those documents in as soon as possible will help prevent any delays in the mortgage process to ensure we close on time. When you are going on showings with your clients, if the properties have an HOA, I would recommend getting as much information on the HOA as you can so that we can check if the property is warrantable by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. We will also be able to check if it's not, what we can do to adjust that to move the needle forward, because we want your clients going under contract on a property that they can finance on. Whether this means changing the actual loan product that we use to get it closed or getting the documentation needed to make it Fannie Freddie eligible, we'll do what we can in the front end to, again, ensure a smooth transaction.